Hello. Good day, everyone. Today is an amazing day, and I want to share with you today the sound of the waves. Guys, it's time to contemplate about life. It's time to think what is my life is all about. I am here sitting by the lake, listening the sounds of the waves. Have you ever think, guys, why God created you in a special way? As we all know, we are all different from one person to another. Life is not easy, but still we keep on going because we all have hope and believe that everything will be fine. So guys, I am sitting here by the lake. This is my happy place. I call it, guys, my happy place because this is the place where I can think clearly about my life, about my situation, where I am at the moment. Guys, I am sharing this with you today because you can create good thoughts, new wonderful thoughts in this place. Just listening the sound of the waves. This is the music in my ears. Sitting here, listening to the sounds of the waves, thinking that beyond these cloudy skies, the sun will always shine. Even though, where are you in your life at the moment? There's always circumstances, hindrances in our plans. Always remember that God created you in a very special way. Guys, I don't know why, but I really love the sounds of the waves. It is very freezing here in this afternoon. It's cold, but I am here because I want to create good thoughts, hope, building up hope in my life. Keep on believing that my later days will be much better than my former days. I love the sounds of the waves. I can create good imagination what my future life will be. Because by creating good positive thoughts, we can create good ideas as well. And by that, remember, ideas can turn into profit when you want to start a business, when you want to fulfill your dreams and goals in life. Yes, probably we are thinking when we were kids, no, I cannot reach my dreams because we don't have the money, we don't have the sources to reach my dreams, to fulfill my dreams. But guys, I am sharing this with you today because I want you, don't ever give up your dreams. Remember, you are capable of doing wonderful things in life. Take a moment of yourself, sitting by the lake, sitting by the sea, listening the waves from the water. Focus on yourself. What is your plan? How can you move on? How can you reach your dreams and goals in life? We are all deserving people. We deserve to reach our goals and dreams in life, but we must find the right way to do it. we must let the universe guide us to the right path. We must surrender it all to God. God is love, and He is always there for us every moment in our life. Keep on believing, keep on hoping. Although there's hindrances and difficulties at the moment in our lives, keep on believing. There's always light at the end of the tunnel, and there is hope when there is light. Keep on going in your journey, guys. I know it is not easy, but please, I want to urge you to practice the power of meditation, the power of prayer. Like the waves in the water, moving all the time. So it is the same in our life, guys. Keep on moving. Don't lose hope, because there is power in it. Keep on moving. Keep on hoping. Keep on believing that you are capable of doing great things in your life. I encourage you guys to wake it up, the hidden talent within you. Each and every one of us, guys, have hidden talent. It must be developed. You can develop it by believing in yourself. Believe that all things will be fine. Believe that all things is possible. When there is hope, there is always way to find out the steps to move forward, to keep on moving. A dream must be fulfilled. I always encourage my friends and relatives, don't ever give up your dream. It's not worth giving up. Yes, it is a job to fulfill it. But as I told you, if you are confused at the moment, we all can be confused someday or another. It is a part of our life journey. But still, always, I encourage each and every one of you to take the moment of meditation. Surrender it all to God into prayer. Remember, God is love, and He is there with us all the time. What we need right now, what you wish, what you want at the moment, surrender it all to God. He is the most powerful in this universe. Just listen the sound of the wave, guys. It will help you to have hope and create new ideas, which I always believe that ideas can turn into profit. We have so many great things in life we can be grateful for. Be content, acknowledge where you are at the moment, and be grateful what God created in this earth. Remember, everything is happened for a reason. So please don't waste your time into depression, into regrets. Use that regrets into triumph. Use those negative things happening in your life into a hope to build up the good things in your life. There is always hope, and I want to share with you, if there is a will, there is always a way. Guys, life is hard. Yes, in this life journey, nothing is easy. But I keep on inspiring myself that life is amazing. And we are the one who can make it amazing by doing the right mental attitude. Thinking the positive mental attitude, guys, it helps us to keep on moving what we want in our life. This is just my share with you today. I know it is not easy, but I want to share with you the beauty of nature. There are so much things to be grateful in life. So guys, I am taking a moment with myself in this place to contemplate, to find the solution to my problems, to find the answers of my questions. You are the one who can answer your own questions. So have the moment with yourself and practice the power of meditation and the power of prayer. God always answers our prayer in its perfect divine timing. But you must remember, guys, that the answer of the prayer, there are three things. Wait, yes, and later. Yes, there is an answer to our needs. There is an answer to our questions. There are solutions to our problems. But God answers us through our feelings. Remember, first answer, God will say you have to wait. We must wait. Then the second answer, yes, God will give us to us in its perfect divine timing. And the third answer, never or no. But there is a reason why God will not give us the things we want in this life. He loves us and He wants us the best thing for us. Guys, I love you so much and thank you so much for being with me here in my happy place. This is my happy place here in Hola Kommune, Norway. Thank you and I love you all. Bye.